Future perfect continuous tense is often used to talk about ongoing actions that will be happening at a specific future time. In the context of a barista career, this tense can be used to describe the progression of milestones and achievements that a barista may experience as they advance in their career. For example, a beginner barista may say, "By this time next year, I will have been working as a barista for 6 months." This sentence illustrates the continuity of the action, working as a barista, up to a specific future time, 6 months from now. Another example could be, "In 5 years, I will have been perfecting my latte art skills for a long time." This sentence shows the ongoing nature of the action, perfecting latte art skills, and the length of time that will have passed, 5 years, to achieve this milestone. Furthermore, a barista may say, "By the end of the month, I will have been learning about different coffee beans and brewing techniques for a year." This sentence emphasizes the continuous action of learning and the specific duration of time, a year, that will have been dedicated to this skill. In addition, a barista can use the future perfect continuous tense to set goals and aspirations for the future. For instance, they could say, "In 10 years, I will have been managing my own coffee shop for a decade." This sentence highlights the ongoing action of managing a coffee shop and the achievement of a significant milestone after 10 years. Overall, the future perfect continuous tense can be a useful tool for beginner ESL students to discuss their career aspirations and goals within the context of a barista career. By using this tense, students can describe the progression of their skills, experiences, and achievements over time, leading to a successful and fulfilling career in the coffee industry.